bridge is so neat. Such a neat little bridge it is. One of the most memorable things about this place, especially like from a historical point of view, is Sniper Alley. It's where a lot of people got killed. It's this huge like street, this alley where snipers killed people. They had a whole bunch of stations and stuff like that during the Bosnian War. I find lions everywhere. Let's fucking do this, boys. And whiteboard. Let's try it out, see how it goes. There it is.
Alright, story time! So, I got signatures on my sign, yeah. These two girls walking past, you know, we had a nice conversation about Sarajevo and probably fucking-pronounced that again because I'm so smart! Wow! But yeah, they were fucking awesome. And the one girl wants to cliff dive. And you know, it's fucking awesome because that's what I'm about to do. I love cliff diving. You know, I'm fucking stupid like that. It's great. So yeah, they were awesome. So yeah, you guys will probably see this. And yeah, you guys fucking rock. Keep being yourself.
You just gave me a rice cake and like a fucking full thing. Lemonade filled up my bottle. Fuck yes!
Ah! I'm here with my buddy Dino.
Yeah.
And he picked me up in where?
In starting highway in Sarajevo.
Yeah, Sarajevo. And yeah, he's fucking awesome, man. He's like we got super similar interests in the whole economic world. We were talking about politics and shitty governments and stuff. We're definitely not saying Bosnia's government needs to change or anything, right? Because I mean, it's fucking perfect the way it is, right? Maybe not, but he's fucking awesome, man. So tell these people something that you think is other people should know.
About what?
Anything.
They has to come and visit our country for sure. It's a very beautiful country.
Bosnia.
It's amazing. Great food, great mountains, rivers, lakes. Also in the summertime and in winter time you can visit. You can have a skiing, boarding time. What else about economy or government stuff?
Yeah.
It's very hard to tell anything in a you know a small period of time, but I really don't know what people there what is interesting for them actually. So I don't know what to
The
tell
mountains.
them. What?
The mountains.
Yeah, I
The
told.
beautiful scenery that Bosnia has to offer. Everybody should come. It's fucking amazing.
Alright, now you guys can't see anything, but I've got to show you this. Oh my gosh. Alright, so story is, that guy, you know, was chilling with him, picked me up from Sarajevo for a while, and I'm sick, and this fucking hotel was so cheap. Oh my gosh. I've gotta show you guys this shit. What? Like, okay, it's the bathroom. It's the entry room, I suppose. Just somebody's slippers. I don't know who they are, they were, whatever. This, nobody. Look at this. This, nobody. Hey, look at this. I guess this is like their storage place. Look at that. It's fucking cool. This is my beautiful sign. Beautiful backpack. Great shirt. Bed. This old stuff. Fucking phone. Radio. Look at that. What the fuck? What the fuck? How do I even use that? Amazing. Fucking wonderful. Look at this. It still has not even ended yet. Oh my gosh. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Fucking cups and fucking cooking shit. Wait a minute. It has not ended yet. Oh my gosh. This is like a balcony out here. Look at this. Look at this. And the view. I'm gonna have to show you guys the view tomorrow morning because it's not gonna be doing too well. There's a view today, but wow. All to myself. Okay, that is a fucking big bee. Oh, this town of Gemli? Something. I'm so terrible at pronouncing. Oh. I can't even fucking cook rice. Look at this shit. Wonderful. Wonderful. That bridge is fucking awesome. Look at these mountains. Bosnia, Konjic. That is the place I'm staying at. Oh my gosh, it's fucking nice. These little berry things. I'm sure you guys will inform me on what the hell that is. The mountains there. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Konjic. It's something like that. The town that I'm in. Pronunciation. You guys know I'm fucking fabulous with pronunciation. This is Konjic. It's on my way to Mastar from Sarajevo. That song. And I don't know if you guys can actually hear it. It's pretty fucking weird. This is one of the first fountains I was introduced to on arrival to Konjic. One of those. Possibly. I'm not sure. I'm not that much of a mountain man, but okay, I guess I kind of am. Okay, maybe I kind of fucking am. But look at these fucking mountains. I mean, I still prefer beaches and shit, but hey, I fucking love mountains. They're fucking amazing. Konjic. Konjic. A calling to the mosque. Also known as a calling to prayer.